Alright, so we back with the Caprice. Let me show you what we're finna try to attempt to do. So as far as the music, last video we got everything sorted out with the Cutlass. So now we looking at what we gonna do with the box. So I believe we are good to go as far as the bass goes in the two-door box. We are good to go. I'm trying to find the keys. Not in the trunk. Okay, they're still here. Still in the ignition. So what we gonna do? Like I was saying, I was debating on what we was gonna do with them speakers, and I think I'm gonna do what I've been planning on doing for a long time, which was turning this back deck into nothing but them 6x9s. And the 6x9s, I think that originally were in there were, let's see, but yeah, you can see it because this one fell down. So like the way that they mount with that metal bracket, man, it's some bullshit. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much put like a row, or it won't be a row, but to mount all the by-9s back there, you would need well, I don't even know if you need all the by-9s, but we will need the amp to push them. So I guess we're gonna end up keeping this amp that we bought. That's our little Chevrolet grill that we kind of mashed up. Got that on there like that. A little different, you know what I mean? So we can save up and get that TTR. I want one, dog. I want one. So I think I'm gonna get it. If not for this box, then the other box. Probably the other box. So with that said, like I said, the only thing to build that little back portion deck back here, I think you have to cut out the metal because I don't think it's completely solid. I think got some holes in it, so that would have to be cut out. We did lose our up front speakers when we put the other ones, when we switched out the dash. I'm finna get ready to put this bracket on this other side, so we just gotta finish pushing it up and into position like so, and then making another bracket like such so that it'll hold it. I just gotta see that's exactly where it's gonna mount at. What else? The door panels, as you can see, like the Camaro door panels, they had the speakers down there. So it'd be dope if we could get those to mount to this door, but then we would have to run the wires for speakers through the little boot or whatever over there and get that to work. So that never been done before, but I'm pretty sure we can figure it out. If we gonna end up running the by 9s though, or if we're gonna end up running them off of the amp, I think that it would probably just be better to have all them wires, I guess, coming from back here where the amp will be, and then run them up under the carpet and then to each door if we do it like that. Or you just put the by 9s back there and call it a day, which could work as well. Because pretty sure them by 9s on the all them by 9s back there is definitely gonna make it scream. But like I said, if being that we lost the 2 speakers that we had up here, I think they was like 4x6s, then we might want to put something up there. Something. So I don't know. I haven't came up with 100% plan for it, but that's gonna be coming. What else we got? So like I said, I'll probably just end up keeping all of that, and then like I said, doing the by 9s, running it off of that, and then going with what is it? Going with that. Not a whole lot. I need to get in here and clean up because there's shit everywhere. I was trying to get it to eventually where I could pull a car back in here, but it take a little bit longer than anticipated. Pull the CTN back off in here for now, I guess, because being that we pretty much done painting for the moment, then I think we'll be good to go on that. What else? I want to say this. That's all I can think of right now. Is that, but it's definitely some more coming that I just haven't really thought of. So when I think of it, I'll bring it up.